Come on, Beebo, this is your first task. Stack these goods on those shelves. Make it look nice and organized.
All right, Mr. Sami. You'll see how the work will turn out.
I can't believe how focused he is.
He's absolutely adorable.
Wow, this little dog works with such great conscience.
He's better than some people I know.
He's better than some people I know.
Bravo, Beebo. You're not just working. You truly love what you do.
Look, everyone, it's Beebo. He's really working here.
He's the youngest employee in the city.
Come to me, champ. I'll give you a big salary.
Thank you so much, but I want to work here. I started here, and I will continue here.
You're really not just a little dog. You are a symbol of loyalty. And so, Beebo became a part of the Glass City. He found the meaning of work, of a dream, and the true love for what he does.